गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। चलो बच्चों, नाउ वंस अगेन आपका स्वागत है गणेश इंग्लिश क्लासेस में। एज यू नो दैट वी आर डीलिंग विद द सीबीएसई क्लासेस। अभी स्कूल शुरू होने वाले हैं, कुछ ही दिन बाकी है। तो लेट अस स्टार्ट करें। स्कूल से पहले हम शुरू करते हैं आपका सबसे प्यारा सब्जेक्ट, सॉरी प्यारा मतलब प्यारा और डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट मैथ। उसका पहला चैप्टर अगर मैं मिस्टेक नहीं कर रहा हूँ तो उसका नाम मिला हुआ है रेशनल नंबर्स। So we'll start with the rational numbers. Now let us see सबसे पहले कि what is the rational number? Which numbers are called the rational numbers? It is said that the rational numbers can be presented in the P by Q form. P by Q form where the condition is given the Q. That is the divisor, we can say the Q's value should not be 0. It should be 1, 2, etc. But it should never be 0. Then and there the number can be called the rational number. Now other things we can recognize the rational number. We can say that is the rational number includes the natural numbers. यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर बच्चे मिस्टेक्स करते हैं, इसलिए हमको ध्यान रखना है कि नेचुरल नंबर्स माय डियर वन मीन्स दे स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 1. Natural numbers starts from the 1, so here we will put the INP, that is the star, natural numbers. So rational number includes the natural number. So natural number starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, etc. That is endless numbers. We can say that is the natural numbers. Rational number also includes, that is the second type of number, whole numbers. Now whole numbers means not whole we are talking about. We are talking about whole numbers always starts from that is 0. That is the, again we have to understand here, that is the important thing we have to understand. The whole number never starts from the 1. Here also I have seen that students are making many mistakes and many times mingle it up, mix it up. That is whole numbers always we have to remember beta the whole number always starts with the 0. Now we'll talk about that is the rational number also includes the integers. Now integers we can say that is also plus number. They also include the minus number. They include the 0 also. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 likewise. 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 likewise. Now rational number also includes one more, that is the fractions. Yes, positive fractions and negative fractions. That is 1 by 2, 3 by 5, minus 2 by 7, etc. So we can say by large rational number is the bag that contains natural number, yes, whole number, yes, integers, yes, positive fractions, yes, negative fractions, yes. Clear? Let us go for that is the properties of rational number as given in your textbook. I think that is on the second page. So first is that is the properties of the rational numbers. We will talk about the whole numbers. Now for whole numbers, addition property. So whether the whole numbers are closed under addition, our answer will be yes. Whole numbers are closed under addition. Means if one whole number is added to the another whole number, the answer will come whole number. That's why we say that the whole numbers are closed under addition. You can see the example that 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. So 0 is what? Already we know that 0 is the whole number. 7 is also a whole number. So whole number plus whole number gives the whole number. So result is the 7. You can take any another example. Second, that is the subtraction. So we can say whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Why we say that is the whole number are not closed under subtraction? Say for 0 minus 7 is equal to minus 7. Now minus 7 is not a whole number. So that's why we can say subtraction property for whole number is not whole. Means that is whole numbers are not closed under, we can say, subtraction. But multiplication is a friend of addition. So we can say, you understood, I have given you the hint. What I want to mean to say, that is the whole numbers are closed under multiplication. Means if two whole numbers are multiplied, the answer will be whole number. You can check it, verify it. That is 0 into 11 is equal to 0 और 0 is very powerful बेटा. तो कभी भी 0 के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ट्राई मत कीजिएगा. ये तो बेटा 11 का. अगर आप 1000 भी लेके आएंगे तो आपको पता है कि what it will do. 0 multiply anything that makes us not hero but 0. So take care of that. Never try. Say 9 into 12, 108. So that is the whole means the multiplication property. If we talk about for the whole numbers, we can say whole numbers are closed under multiplication. Now last but the least for this lecture, that is the division. Division is the friend of multiplication, we can say. So it means division, whole numbers are not closed under division. अब शॉर्ट में मैं रिवाइज करा लूँ होल नंबर की प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में. तो फॉर एडिशन दे आर क्लोज्ड, सब्ट्रैक्शन नॉट क्लोज्ड, मल्टीप्लिकेशन दे आर क्लोज्ड एंड डिवीजन दे आर नॉट क्लोज्ड. Don't worry, I will just now stopping closing this lecture. We will continue the series with the rational numbers with the more fun and the exercise, with the review exercise also. If you like, then you can share to the others. Thank you. जल्दी फिर से